structure. It, this has PCB and it's a camera lens, and it is a motor. And watch out the jumper jumper connection. But I don't really need to watch out. Oh, let's watch out. I don't want to it totally broken. So just be careful. Camera, camera here. Welcome, camera. Oh, oh, easy. Oh, haha. Okay, more successfully, more secure to remove. Oh, ooh, oh, you can see what this. What this? I I think is 天线 platinum or something like this. Okay. Ooh, we can see this was a piece of scroll, scroll, and it's already broken by our big force. We just use first. We have to understand the structure so the next time when we um, remove other camera, use less force. Oh, we can see this already broken. I think not my fault. Mhm. So the previous repeller failed. So they just do things like this. Never mind. And we to remove this screw from this motor. I love screw because it's easy to remove and assembly. So this old camera, I think, is hard to fix. We just try to understand the structure. That's this camera's mission. It's $1, almost $1. And you can see, wow, this, you can see this PCB board is, I think I love it because it has a big, um, let's say, I think it's UART or DTL connection. So this is a very basic uh, input output method for the uh, embedded devices. So it could like monitor, and it could accept keyboard input and output string, text string, or something like this. It's just the very basic of a Unix system, I think, something like this. And so, oh, it's a speaker. Okay, this is speaker. I think don't broke by me because this is too old. And this is the motor. Let's move it. It's a steep motor. Of course, it's a steep motor. So it has several control wires. And the specific menu, I forget it and I don't care. And it's a speaker. This is microphone.